Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Sonic and Friends Sing, the part of the show where Sonic and his friends come on out and sing a song. Today, Team Sonic will be singing I Ran So Far Away by A Flock of Eagles. Well, a band called A Flock of Eagles. But anyways, without further ado everyone, please welcome Team Sonic! I walked along the avenue. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. Meet a girl like you. With auburn hair and tawny eyes. The kind of eyes that hypnotize me through. Hypnotize me through. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I ran all night and day. I couldn't get away. A cloud appears above your head. A beam of light comes shining down on you. Shining down on you. The cloud is moving nearer still. Aurora Borealis comes in view. Aurora comes in view. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I ran all night and day. I couldn't get away. Reach out a hand to touch your face. You're slowly disappearing from my view. Appearing from my view. Reach out a hand to try again. I'm floating in a beam of light with you. A beam of light with you. And I ran so far away. Oh, I just ran, I ran all night and day. And I ran so far away. Oh, I just ran, I couldn't get away. And I ran so far away. Oh, I just ran, I ran all night and day. And that was Team Sonic singing I Ran So Far Away by a band called A Flock of Seagulls. Stay tuned for the next episode of Sonic and Friends Sing.